Well, hello everybody. Tonight I'm gonna be vacuuming my bed with my Dirt Devil vacuum. So let's see if you can guess what Dirt Devil I'm using. Yep, that's right. It's this one right here. We're gonna see how it does on vacuuming my bed. I just put a new belt in it, so I think it's gonna work really nice. So I can't wait to see the results. And yeah, we'll get started. Here we go. Oh my goodness, I got a nice clean bed now. This Dirt Devil vacuum did a great job on cleaning up my bed. I am so happy. I got a nice clean bed now. Oh, it's gonna be so nice sleeping here tonight. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, it feels great. Oh, I can't wait to fall asleep. Oh, it feels so good. Oh yeah, it feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. I can't wait to fall asleep. It feels so good. It feels so good. My bed feels so good. Oh no. My bed feels so good. I got my bed all clean now, so I vacuumed my bed. It feels so good. Oh. My bed feels so good. My bed feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. Hope you enjoyed this video of me vacuuming my bed. Oh, hold up. We're not done yet. I gotta go get my other vacuum. That's right. We're not done yet, guys. We're not done. Unplug this baby here. Alright, we're not done yet, people. We're not done. I got some more vacuuming to do. Alright. Hold on, people. Hold on. We don't want to leave the other Dirt Devil left out, do we? No, we don't. So we're going to use the other Dirt Devil next. Yep. That's right. Alright. Let's see what this orange baby does to vacuum my bed. See if this big boy will handle some nice cleaning on my bed. Alright, we ain't done yet, people. We ain't done. Gotta plug this sexy baby in and we'll get going. Alrighty. Let's do this, people. Let's do it. Let me plug her in now. Plug her in. Alrighty, people. We'll go ahead and get going here. We're gonna see how this big boy does on vacuuming my nice dirty bed. Well, just got it nice and clean, but I'm just gonna make sure this baby does a good job too. You know, gotta give the other Dirt Devil a test as well, you know? Alright, we'll see how this one does. Get my bed nice and clean. Here we go. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so good. Oh, yeah, that feels so nice. Oh, my bed is nice and clean. Oh, it's so clean. It's so clean. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so good. And this vacuum even picked up all kinds of stuff. Look, it picked up a lot. Look at that. That's all that it picked up off my bed. That is incredible. Wow. It picked up a whole lot of mess. But guess what? We're not done. We can't forget about my other vacuums, right? We can't forget about those. Okay, alright. We're not done yet, people. We ain't done. Gotta get my other vacuum cleaners. Let me wrap this one up first, and then we'll get the other vacuum. Alright, alright. Come on, baby. Come on now. Alrighty, people. You seen it. Oh no, the damn cord got stuck. It's still plugged in. No problem. Got the baby unplugged now. Yes. Figure out how we're gonna do this. Alright, alright. Have a little Diet Coke break. Alrighty, y'all. Can't forget the other vacuum cleaner. Aha! We can't forget the Eureka, can we? No, we can't. We can't forget the classic Eureka vacuum. Nope, no, 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 no. We can't forget this big baby. We can't forget it. Now I'm going to give this big boy a test. We're going to see how this vacuum does on cleaning up my bed. So now we're going to try out this big boy right here. See how this baby does. We're going to give this one a test now. We're going to see how this baby does. And hopefully it'll do a good job. Y'all know what I'm saying? Hopefully it'll do a good job. Just like the other two vacuums I just tested. Let's do this. Here we go. Vacuum, can you make sure my bed gets all nice and clean? I trust y'all to do a good job. Here we go, people. Make sure my bed's all nice and clean. Yeah! Gotta fall asleep with a nice clean bed. Heck yeah. Oh, it's picking up stuff, people. It's picking up stuff. That's good, y'all. That's good. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Picking up stuff. Ouch. Picking up more stuff. Yeah, boy. It feels even better now. Oh, yes, it feels so good. I can't wait to go to sleep tonight. Oh, I'm going to fall asleep and have a great sleep. My vacuums did a good job. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, I just want to fall asleep right now. Oh, this vacuum did such a good job, and look what it picked up. You're not going to believe this. But this vacuum even picked up stuff. This vacuum even picked up. If I can give y'all a little demonstration here. I'm going to show y'all. This vacuum did a really good job here. Let me show y'all. This is what this boy... Oh, no. This is what this big boy picked up. Look at all that crud in there. Look at all that. That's what this vacuum did. Doing a good job making sure my bed's all nice and clean. But guess what? We still got one more vacuum after this. We can't forget the itty-bitty Bissell, can we? No. So I'm going to bring that vacuum in just a moment. If y'all can hold on. Alright, make sure I get this on here. A little hard, but I'm getting it. Alright. Y'all be patient here. Get back to vacuuming in just a moment. If I can get all this crud back on here. Oh, come on, baby. Come back on. There we go. Alright. Alright. It's even got a nice washable filter in there. Look at that. All nice and clean. Now, that's what we're talking about. That's what we want to talk about. Make sure we get all nice and clean filter. Oh, yeah, big boy. Alright. Alright. That's nice. That is really nice. Something nice about this vacuum, we don't have to wrap anything up. Because this vacuum's got a nice quarter line. I want y'all to see this. I want y'all to look at this. This vacuum's got quarter lines. Alright, y'all be patient again. Watch this, people. Have a look at this. You won't believe your eyes. With the press of a button, cord rewind. You see, cord rewind. And the cord, you press the button and it retracts the cord into the vacuum here. Alright, enough wasting time. Let me get my other vacuum. I'm going to get my other vacuum. Alright, y'all, hold on a minute. Hold on. I know y'all want another vacuum. Alright. Let me go grab the other one. Alrighty. Can't forget about the little small vacuum here. Can't forget about this one, can we? No, we can't forget about this little thing. Yeah, I got this Bissell in the garbage a couple days ago. I found it and I brought it home and I thought it's a nice old little baby. We're going to give this one a test now. We're going to see how this one does. Plug this one in. Alright, nice, nice, nice. Alright, people. Y'all asked for it. We're going to do a final vacuum on my bed. Make sure it's still plugged in. Alright, nice. Cool, cool. Alright, we're going to do a final test with cleaning my bed, making sure it's nice and clean. We're going to give this vacuum a good running. The brush is all nice. Probably doesn't have a belt in it, but who cares? It'll still do a good job. Alright. Meet the midget vacuum. Meet the baby Bissell Power Force. Alright. This one's giving me a little trouble here. Y'all be patient with me. Alright. Final vacuum, making sure my bed gets nice and clean. Let's do this. A lot quieter than last time. This vacuum's giving me trouble. Ow, 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 no. It's not even picking up anything. What a piece of junk this is. Ow, ow, meow, meow, meow. My bed doesn't feel clean one bit. This vacuum did terrible. And it didn't pick up a damn thing. Look, it picked up nothing. Oh, the cup may look dirty, but nope, it picked up nothing. This vacuum failed. This vacuum did a horrible job. This vacuum loses, people. This vacuum gets a big, fat, big, enormous Q. This vacuum loses, but all my other vacuums win because they all did a great job. But not this one. This one loses. This one wins. This one here wins. And this one wins as well. But the little Bissell loses because it did not do a good job on vacuuming my bed. Well, hope y'all enjoyed this wonderful video. And I'll make sure I got a nice clean bed. And I just cleaned my bed, but the little Bissell did a horrible job. But y'all noticed all the other vacuums did a great job. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure I got a nice clean bed before I fall asleep. Y'all have a great night.